Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You already have access, so start by opening the Ga4 property and navigate to configure events. First, locate the event you need to change and inspect its parameters. This tells you what to keep or remove. Once identified, choose the method to modify it, Direct Edit in Ga4 for simple renames, Google Tag Manager for client-side changes, or server-side tagging for complex logic. As you proceed, keep a short list of desired parameter names and the exact event triggers you want to preserve. Now implement the change. If you use Ga4 Modify Event, create a rule specifying matching conditions and the parameter edits, then save. If you use GTM, update the tag configuration, adjust variables and data layer pushes, and publish a version container. For server-side, modify the mapping script and redeploy. Next, validate. Open Debug View and trigger the event on your site or app, then inspect parameter values. Make corrections iteratively until the event appears with consistent naming and finish by publishing your changes and updating any dependent reports, audiences, or conversions. Document the revisions for the team. Once done, monitor both Debug View and the events reporting over the next 24 to 48 hours to ensure data flows correctly. If you encounter missing or duplicate events, make sure filters, consent mode, and data stream settings aren't blocking hits. Then recheck matching conditions and tag firing. A single troubleshooting tip. If events vanish, revert to the last working tag/container and reapply edits incrementally to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.